Ever since Google added Gemini AI to its search results, I've noticed there's a lot of incorrect information provided by it. Most people doing a search just skim through the first few lines that seem to answer the query, and if it's provided by AI, they assume it's right. Additionally, Google has integrated other apps to its search results, like there's a section for related videos, what people also ask, discussions and forums, people also search for, and sometimes images. All this makes the search results messy and increases the chances of misinformation. Another reason I believe is that over the last decade, businesses and content creators have stepped up their search engine optimization. And some even pay for Google Ads to get more prominent placement on search results because you might see stuff that kind of relates to your query, but most times it doesn't really hit the mark. This got me thinking about how we can remove or ignore those annoying suggestions and improve the search results. Last year, Google quietly dropped a web filter feature that helps you get rid of all the extra stuff that I just mentioned, making it super easy to find the sites that actually matter for your search. Over here on the left, there's a page with the usual search results, that is without any filter, and on the right, results with the web filter. You can see the difference, how clean and simple the page looks. The web filter keeps it text only, so no more annoying distractions or results from other apps, just like the good old days. You can use this feature from this column. I know what you're thinking. Doing this for every search is super annoying. So let's make this simple, which can also be used as a default option. To do this, first we'll have to create our own search engine. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're using a Chrome, Edge, or any other browser on your computer, the steps I'm about to show you will mostly be the same. In your web browser settings, search for Manage Search Engine option. Open it, and under Site Search, you'll see a bunch of search engines. Click on Add, give it a name like Google Filtered, then shortcut can be anything like I use G, and lastly under URL, type in the exact path shown on the screen or copy and paste from the description of this video. Now complete the setup by adding it and you should see your custom search engine in the list. Click the three dots to it and set it as default. You'll notice the change above. Whenever you need text-based results, type in its shortcut in address bar, space, which will enable custom search engine, followed by your query. You will see no result from Gemini, images, videos, or other suggestions. If you're planning to do the same on Mozilla Firefox, you will need to perform some additional steps to add a custom search engine. Begin by typing this in the address bar, which will take you to advanced settings. Accept the caution and search for this. You should be seeing with Boolean selected by default. Click the plus icon and the value should be set to true. If it's set to false, double click on it to turn it true. After that, refresh your settings page and head to the search shortcut section where you'll find a new button of add. From here, proceed with the steps shown earlier. When you're set, use the shortcut space and enter your query in the address bar. A simplified view does not replace the declining quality of Google's results. What else can we do? Well, a few years ago, on my channel, I shared an interesting trick of changing few parameters that can help to include or exclude websites from search results. For example, I don't want to see results from Reddit and Instagram. So after a query, mention -site : and the name of the website that you want to omit. Where we added custom URL, go back to it. After % and s, put space and type -site : followed by the name of the website. Do remember that you will have to use the -site : for every website you want to exclude, And also make sure that you give a space between them. That's it. Now save everything and using the same method of custom search engine, type and search your query, and you'll see your search box will automatically have the sites that you want to omit and don't have to make an extra effort of typing or copy and pasting a list from somewhere. The great thing about this is there is no limit to websites you can add. In case you do not see any change in your results, go through the steps thoroughly and check the commands again. A single error can change the whole parameter. In my view, these two options are just what we need to improve our search results. For now, this seems to work only for computers. If I find a solution like this for mobile devices, I'll surely create a tutorial video on it, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. I hope this simple trick to improve Google search results was easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in a new video.